I've been exploring the Dub copy trading app for a while now, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review of Dub in 2025. I'll cover everything from its key features to potential risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether Dub is the right choice for you. Let's dive in. Dub is a social copy trading platform that allows users to automatically copy the trades of top-performing investors. It's designed to make investing in the markets easier, especially if you're new or just don't have the time to manage your trades manually. By connecting your account, you can follow expert traders and mirror their strategies in real time. One of the standout features of Dub is its transparency and trader analytics. You can view detailed performance stats of traders before deciding to follow them, including their win rates, risk levels, and trading history. This helps you make more informed choices and align with traders that match your risk tolerance. Dub also emphasizes community interaction, allowing users to engage with traders, ask questions, and learn from their strategies. Plus, the platform supports a wide range of assets, from crypto to Forex and more, giving you flexibility in building a diversified portfolio. However, it's important to remember that, like all trading platforms, there are risks involved. Even top traders can have losing streaks, and following them doesn't guarantee profits. Additionally, Dub charges fees for its services, and while the platform offers value, you'll want to ensure that the costs align with your financial goals. Overall, Dub offers a user-friendly and insightful way to get into copy trading, especially for beginners looking to learn from seasoned traders. But as always, make sure to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial expert before making any investment decisions. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. See you in the next one.